to another episode of Cooking with Tommy. Today we're doing a garlic and herb chicken with a honey mustard Dijon sauce on the top. Stay tuned, I will show you how this works. For this recipe, you're going to need Parmesan cheese, lemon pepper, cilantro, garlic powder, bay leaves, minced garlic, and 2 chicken breasts sliced in half. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some butter in a pan, let it sizzle for a minute, and then we're going to drop some of the minced garlic in. Alright, so now we're going to let it sizzle for a few minutes, the minced garlic, and we're going to go season our meat right now. So let's go do that. First we're going to get our bay leaves on it. Our garlic powder. We'll get our cilantro. And now our lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, the Parmesan we're going to do later on. Now what we're going to do is get this in the pan. Now that our chicken's in the pan, we're going to let it saute for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side. And we'll come back later and see how they look. Now we're going to come back and flip these. Let's see how they look. Nice and golden brown, the way they should look. Another 15 minutes and this should be done. Now we're going to get started on making our honey mustard Dijon sauce. For the honey mustard recipe, you need brown sugar, about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of honey mustard. We're going to mix all those ingredients in the saucepan and get it to the stove and simmer it. Now we're going to saute this for a little bit. Let it simmer, and then we're going to put the chicken in it and coat it. Once it starts to bubble, it's done. Then you can just coat the chicken. And that's it. Easy honey mustard coating. Nice sauce for the chicken. Let's see those chicken. The chicken looks like it's about to be done in a few minutes. And when we come back, we'll check how the chicken looks, and then we're going to saute everything together, and then we're going to coat it. We'll be right back. Alright everybody, now that it's done, it's all coated. Now the last thing we're going to do, put a little basil on it. And remember I said about the Parmesan earlier, a little dab of Parmesan cheese. And that's it guys. Honey mustard Dijon chicken. Delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. For those of you, hit the like button, and more videos are coming. Thank you so much everybody. This is Cooking with Tommy.